Attention in the hangar. Spaceship will be feathering. Spaceship will be feathering in 3, 2, 1, mark.
My name is Audra Houston, and I'm a SpaceShipTwo space wrench. The role of a space wrench here is pretty unique. We do any of the modifications and preventative maintenance. Doing the pneumatic checks and feather is definitely a standard part of pre-flight because that's one of the main functions of coming back into the atmosphere. There's several of us that perform the checks. We have people inside the cabin, people outside the cabin, making sure the flight controls are clear. I am super excited to fly.